Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can upload a video in Google Drive and share the link. So first of all, launch your Google Drive or simply open a browser, type in drive.google.com. Once you're logged into your Google Drive, simply upload a video. To upload a video, select maybe Start or maybe your drive itself. Click on New, then select File Upload. Once you have uploaded your video, it will look something like this. Now, if you would like to share the link, you're going to have to right click onto it. From here, hover on to share and then simply select share itself. From here, all you have to do is type in the Gmail address of people to whom you would like to share this and simply access it. For example, select anyone with link if you would like to share with everybody who has that link access. If not, simply select restricted, and then once you have typed the email address, select done. And then they will get an email that you have shared a video file with them. This is how easy it is. Thank you for watching.